Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to be teaching you how I make this yummy sandwich. This is a chicken and egg sandwich. It also contains a lot of vegetables and cheese. So let's get started. So the first step is to take off the edges of my bread. I think this is totally optional. If you like the brown crusty side of your bread, please go ahead to use it as is. Okay, sometimes I use it like that. Today I just felt like being a little fancy, so that was why I took it off. So next you want to shred your chicken. I have grilled mine. You can fry yours or boil, whichever one you prefer. But I like to grill mine after I have already marinated. So I marinated this chicken for about 24 hours. Then I grilled it and here I am chopping it into small pieces. Try as much as possible to chop this into small pieces so it blends with the other ingredients in your sandwich. It also helps to use boneless chicken breasts or chicken fillets. If you must use the ones with bones, then you need to debone before you proceed. Next, I'm going to combine my cabbage, my carrots, a little bit of dried pepper. I used paprika here. And I'm just going to mix this together because this will serve as my coleslaw. Then in another bowl, I'm going to mix my salad cream, some little bit of oil, soy sauce. I'm just going to go in with more spice, okay, and some lemon juice or lime juice, whichever one you prefer. And when you're done with this, you want to give this a good mix until it is properly combined. So guys, at this point I'm just going to let you watch the process, okay? So guys, this sandwich is one of the best that you will try. Trust me, it tastes so delicious. Make sure you make this for your family. They would absolutely love it. Okay, and when you do, please do not forget to tag me in your videos or in your pictures. Okay, I would love to see what you do with this. And thank you so much for watching this video until the end. If you're new here, welcome, and do not forget to subscribe, like my videos, because I post a new video every single week. So guys, until my next video, bye.